Alright, so this is my 1990 Chevy Cheyenne update. I put a new thermostat on here, and not much of anything. I got some new tires on here, oil change I've done on it. It's 233,000 miles on it now. Yeah, I got this retro bra, which is really cool. So I've got my mask for my car, and I am selling these rims if anyone likes them for $300 because I want to get the OEM on here. I got a seat cover for the truck. We put these bungee cords on here instead of the ties. They're really cheap and it's hard to get them all around because you had time to the rail and all that crap. And bungee cords are much better. Go to Walmart, pick them up for like not even $8 or whatever. Yeah, I support the fire and police. I don't care what people are saying about them, but I have a lot of respect for law enforcement and fire and EMS. Also have support for the Marines, the Army, and the Navy. I've got family in all three. Next update will be exhaust and then suspension work. So yeah, hopefully you guys like my 1990 Chevy Cheyenne update, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.